Hello and welcome back to our math class. In this video, we are going to introduce another example by using quadratic formula. And we will see some a little bit different equation and how do we address the important key steps when we use quadratic formula to solve it. And sometimes you have to be very careful about avoiding some mistakes. So in this video, let's check the first example. This example, as you can see, we have 2x squared minus x minus 6. So as we mentioned before, the most important step is always to identify what is A, what is B, what is C. Okay, so we write down the ax squared plus bx plus c, and a, as you can see, 2 is a number in front of each term, so a is 2. B, do not forget, it's a number here. We do not see 1. It's invisible 1, so it's -1. C is -6. Do not forget the sign. So now I'm going to just plug into the formula. So the formula says opposite B plus or minus b squared minus 4ac. So I just need to plug into it. So b is -1. Opposite b is going to be 1 plus or minus b squared -1 squared minus 4 times 2 times -6. Then divided by 2a. So be patient, draw the super long fraction so it covered everything. 2a, 2 times 2 because a is 2. Okay, now I'm going to do a mental math. -1 squared, which is 1. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times -6 is -48. So minus sign become plus. This is it. So 2 times 2 is 4. Okay, let's continue. Again, nothing is hard. You just need to be a little bit careful for that. So plus or minus, which is 49 divided by 4. And we know square root 49, which is 7 divided by 4. So what are the two solutions I'm talking about? 1 plus 7 divided by 4, which is 8 divided by 4, which is 2. And the other solution is 1 minus 7 divided by 2. And we just need to do this accordingly, and we can simplify the answer with that. So that's our answer, which is 2 and -3/2. So this one is a little bit different from the one we worked before. We don't have square root to simplify. However, again, we need to demonstrate the two solutions clearly. Okay, one more example, we're done. So in this example, as you can see, the equation is a little bit different from the one we're working on before. Before we have ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0, but this time we have -5 here. So compared to the one we have, the most important part is we need to have 0. So how do we do that? This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to plus 5. And this time we are going to cancel here, so the equation becomes this. Okay, so now we have, so do not just read C as -5 before. You need to make sure you have 0 first, and then we're going to change it. So what is 2? What is A is 2, B is -7, C is 5. See? So it's actually quite different, right? Now we do like we do all the time. We just need to plug into the value into the equation. And also every single time when you rewrite the equation, the formula, you will definitely memorize in a better way. So as we said, this is opposite B, so B is -7, then becomes 7 plus or minus B squared, -7 squared minus 4 times 2 times 5. And divided by 2a, which is 2 times 2. So let's continue. So it becomes 7 plus or minus, let's do a quick mental math. -7 squared, 49, and 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 5 is 40. And then divided by 2 times 2 is 4. So 7 plus or minus, this time we have square root 9 over 4. Then we have two solutions, which is 7 plus or minus 3 divided by 4. So now our two solutions are, the first one, 7 plus 3. Sorry for that. 7 plus 3 divided by 4, which is 10 over 4. So we can simplify this 5 over 2. And the other one is going to be 7 minus 3 over 4. So 4 over 4 is 1. So two solutions are 5 over 2 and then 1. As you can see that we have two solutions, right? So again, nothing hard for this one, but really, really be careful about each steps, especially when we do mental math about this part. And if we do not have equations set up equal to 0, you definitely need to move the terms around so you can have A and B and C are correctly labeled in the equation. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really appreciate your time to study this topic with me. See you soon, everyone.